Hello, welcome to Elizabeth Baillie. Here we are at the start of our urban ecosystems planting. We've already been going for a day now and we are just about to plant out 8,500 tube stock of local endemic species that we've been growing for the last 8 or 9 months. And this is part of our urban forest strategy that we've been doing for the last 5 or 6 years, which is a community-led urban forest strategy, and whereby we go and grow local endemic species which are all grown from seed. We collect from local bushlands and areas nearby here, and we grow a diverse range of local species so they can pretty much survive out there on their own and create a really diverse habitat for wildlife. And part of this program is we plant out these areas in combination with ecological enhancements, like what we did prior to this project. We actually hollowed out some trees. We put some tree hollows into them. And these hollows are very important in habitats because they provide nesting hollows for bird life and animals. Sometimes it can take from 75 to 200 years to grow these hollows. But we had Dr. Simon Cherryman, a well-known West Australian ornithologist, come out here, and he went up there and he had carved out these hollows into those trees at the initial stages of these projects, into these dead trees. And they form part of this habitat. So what we're trying to do here is create as best as we can, what we would have in a natural situation here. This land, way back 100 or so years ago, was a Banksia woodland, and most of these plants are derived from or sourced from a Banksia woodland from propagation stock. So here we go, we're planting them all out here today, and over the next couple of days with an aim of creating a habitat that in time will bring back the birds and wildlife to this area and have a real engagement, a centre for people to connect with their environment. The type of plants that we've planted out here are mainly low-growing tree species, particular Banksias which are going out there. As you can see in the background there, we've got some Banksia grandis trees that are already been established, but we'll be planting a lot of the local endemic Banksias, which include the firewood Banksia, Banksia menziesii, Banksia attenuata, which is a candlestick Banksia, and Banksia ilicifolia. And these are core species we need to bring back bird life, because these are food source trees for birds like the black cockatoos. And they're very high on the priority list in the community at the moment because the black cockatoos are dwindling because of their habitats are being taken away. So in places like this, we're aiming to restore the habitat, put back their natural food sources, so the black cockatoos have got another place to come to, call their home and feed on their natural diet.